Hello, hello. What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Mark Smith coming to you live from sunny Southern California, aka Los Angeles, California. Just wanted to shoot a very short video. I haven't shot a video in like a very, very long time. Just want to tell you about a system that I am involved in. Um, it's called Lead Lightning, and if I can figure out how to do this here, I'm going to show you how this thing works. If you have $7, you can start your own business online. $7 is all it takes. I'm gonna see if I can show you my lead capture page. This business has been around for going on 5 years, paying out every Wednesday. This is my lead capture page. This is what I am sharing with other people. It's like I said, like the lead capture page says, it's only a one-time $7 opportunity, and you can basically grow your own business with $7. I'm going to leave a link in the bottom of this video that you can check it out, and also going to leave my personal information, my Facebook link, also my phone number. You can call me and see how people are killing it with this business. I mean, really, it's incredible. Basically, in business, all you need are three things. You need an offer, you need a marketing system, and you need traffic, or AKA eyeballs, human beings looking at your business. If you have those three things, you can really do well in your own online business. Now, people are really doing good. Some people are doing this full time, so you don't necessarily have to um, work a job if it gets to the point where you're making that kind of money, and people are doing it every day. I am going through doing this myself. I'm actually a part-time marketer. I work a full-time job, but this has really helped me to pay some bills. I just got back from Denny's. Went out tonight, had a couple of drinks with the Denny's, and used the money from this business to pay for my bill. And you can do this too. I mean, it's really not that hard. It's really simple. All you gotta do is just get started. And I am going to again share my link with you in the description of this video. I'm going to give you my phone number. I'm going to have you connect with me on Facebook. And it's only $7 one time. You know, free video. Learn how to generate $526 commissions over and over again. Inside, I show you a $7 one-time system you can start using today to create endless fresh needs online and daily cash to fill your pockets. And that's real talk right there. So I just want to shoot this really short video. Like I said, I haven't shot a video in so long, but I want to do this tonight. It's about 1:54 a.m. Friday morning in LA. So that's about what 4:54 in the morning on the East Coast. I'm going to post this video. I want you guys to check it out. Check out my link. Check out what I'm doing. Come take a look. If you have any questions, get at me. But this is real serious, and it works. And if you connect with me, I'll connect you with 2 Facebook groups where you can see that people are doing well in this business. Proof, social proof. People are killing it in this business, and it doesn't really take a lot. You can start for $7 one time. $7 one time. So anyway, I'm going to post this video on YouTube, and I hope you get a chance to see it. If you have any questions, by all means, get to me, get back with me, and I will be here for you. Okay? Hope all is well. You guys have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. I'm going to start doing these videos at least once a week, probably on Fridays again, and just kind of get back in the swing of it. But I'm excited. 2018 is going to be an awesome year. I plan to do very well, do big things. I hope you can join me. Anyway, again, this is your boy Mark Smith coming to you from LA, Los Angeles, California. Hope you guys have a great Friday, a great weekend. Talk to you soon.